The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is causing a lot of excitement, especially with a recent leak about the S24 Ultra. It's rumored to have an amazing feature, the ability to record 4K videos at 120 frames per second (FPS), which is double the current S23 Ultra's 4K video quality at 60 FPS. This is a big deal for people who make videos because it allows for super smooth slow-motion shots, giving them more creative freedom when editing. The S24 Ultra is also expected to keep the option for shooting videos in 8K, but everyone's talking about this new 4K 120 FPS feature. It's likely connected to the impressive 200 megapixels main camera, but there's a little challenge. Recording such high-quality videos could make the phone get hot and use up a lot of storage space. The good news? The S24 Ultra might come with a 1TB storage option and faster USS 4.0 technology to handle these big video files without any problems. Since the S23 Ultra was praised for its camera quality, people have high hopes for the S24 Ultra. While the leak raises some questions, it's definitely making us more excited for Samsung's official announcement. Share your thoughts with us and stay tuned for more updates.